In today's video, I will quickly walk you through on how to delete a YouTube channel. If for any reason you don't want that channel to still hold, follow me. Let me put you through on how you can do that in easy steps. These are the steps to delete an existing YouTube channel. Okay, first, open your web browser. As the browser opens, visit studio.youtube.com and log in. If you are not logged in automatically, you can see the link here, studio.youtube.com. On landing on your dashboard, the next step you need to take is get to this area and click on Settings. On this settings page, click on this channel tab, okay? Once this channel tab opens, click on Advanced Settings, which is one of the options at the top. On getting to this advanced settings, scroll down. You can see this section with the information, Other Settings. Click on this remove YouTube channel. All right, sorry, click on this remove YouTube content. All right, this opens a new page showing your email address and is requesting that you should sign in. So sign in and follow the prompts to delete the YouTube channel. It is that simple. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot that has to do with tech, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn and get some important knowledge that matter in our society today. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube recommend this content to more people. Okay? Watch this video here to learn how to grow on YouTube and become more successful. Thank you and see you some other time.